Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how to cook Ofe Nsala, which is white soup. Ofe Nsala in Igbo means white soup. Ofe Nsala or Afia Efere are some of Nigerian soup that offer a break from palm oil. Sometimes when recovering from malaria or some other ailments, palm oil food are just a put off. You will also find these white soups at serious ceremonial events where the soup is served to the senior citizens or elders. Today we're going to look at the recipe for this for cooking an Ofe Nsala. Like I told you earlier, that Ofe Nsala means white soup. That soup you see, that is why there's no palm oil inside of it. There's plenty meat. It could be goat meat, it could be cow meat, it could be fish, but totally white, no oil. So when we look at the recipe for cooking this Ofe Nsala, number one is one of the recipes is that you have to have 8 pieces of chicken, 8 pieces, because it's what the officer I want to cook now on this video is for just 4 people, for just 4 people's meal. So you can use 8 pieces of chicken or 8 pieces of meat. It could be cow meat, it could be goat meat. 8 pieces for just to serve 4 people. The next one is 1 medium size of smoked fish. 1 medium size of smoked fish. These are the recipes. Dry pepper, Cameroun type of pepper, preferable. 1 teaspoon of Uziza seed that's ground. You have to grind it. So one teaspoon of it you pour inside the soup. 2 pieces of oda crushed. 1 teaspoon crayfish ground. Few slices of Uziza leaves, should also be applied. It's like a herb. 1 to 2 tablespoons of yam flour or 2 palm size flattened pounded yam to thicken the soup. This wants to make the soup to be thick. Water enough to serve 4 people soup. Seasoning to taste. Salt to taste. So now these are the recipes that is required for this nsala soup to be cooked. That is the white soup. Now the method of cooking it. Number one is that you have to wash, season and steam chicken with pepper, salt. If it is a goat meat, that also be seasoned and steamed, and pepper it with salt. If it is a cow meat, the same thing applies. So add piece of yam and cook. Take out when cooked and pound for the thickener. So there's all this yam now for you to pound it so that you can apply it to the soup to make it to be thick. So the next one is to wash the fish and add to pot with the spices and crayfish when the chicken is almost cooked. Check the seasoning and pepper at this point. Number 3 is that you have to add more water to the pot, bring to a boil, and add the pounded yam and cook till the soup thickens. So thickens to the desired consistency. If you are using yam flour, dissolve it in cold water into a paste and stir quickly into the soup water. Stir well to prevent the paste forming a big lump in the pot. Then leave to boil until the soup thickens. Number 4 method is that you add a slice of Uziza leaves. Just the Uziza leaf when you are bought after washing it, you slice it, for 2 to 3, and soup is ready. Serve with pounded yam. You can look at this is what is called Uziza seed. Look at this picture or this photo. This is Uziza seed. You have to also pound or pour inside. This is Uziza leaf. I hope you are watching. This is the meat you are cooking with the yam, so I can remove the yam and pound it to thicken the soup. And if you look at here too, it is the pounded yam you have pounded, that you're going to add to the soup that will make the soup to be thick. So the next one now is this is the outcome of the soup. See how delicious it looks. So it's good, so you can serve it. So it's very simple to cook. So if you have any question, any comment, please don't forget to use our comment box below to make your comment, make your suggestions, and we are good to serve the soup now. So thanks for watching. don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, to everything, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for visiting our channel. God bless you. See you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.